The universe is vast and mostly silent, a seemingly endless expanse of darkness and light, where stars are born and die in cosmic cycles that span billions of years. For most of human history, we have gazed up at the night sky, wondering what secrets it holds and whether anything out there might ever reach us. But every so often, the universe breaks its silence and sends us a messenger, a fleeting visitor that reminds us how much we have yet to discover. On July 1st, 2025, astronomers in Chile, scanning the heavens with powerful telescopes, spotted a faint, fast-moving point of light. At first, it seemed like just another asteroid, but its speed and trajectory quickly revealed it was something far more unusual, an object not from our solar system but from the depths of interstellar space. Named 3I/Atlas, this object is only the third interstellar visitor ever detected by humanity, following the mysterious Oumuamua in 2017 and the comet 2I/Borisov in 2019. Each of these objects has challenged our understanding of what drifts between the stars. But 3I/Atlas stands apart. Unlike its predecessors, it's absolutely enormous, up to 20 kilometers across, roughly the size of Manhattan, and a staggering 200 times larger than Oumuamua. Its sheer scale makes it a cosmic giant among interstellar objects. Hurtling through space at over 37 miles per second, 3I/Atlas is moving too fast to be captured by our sun's gravity. Its hyperbolic path confirms it's just passing through, destined to continue its journey across the galaxy after a brief encounter with our solar system. Interstellar objects like this are more than just rocks. They are ancient time capsules, carrying within them the chemical fingerprints and cosmic dust of distant star systems. Each one offers a rare glimpse into the history and evolution of worlds far beyond our own. The discovery of 3I/Atlas has electrified the scientific community. Its unprecedented size and speed have sparked intense debate, fueling both excitement and speculation about its origins and what secrets it might hold. Soon, it will slingshot around the sun, gaining speed before vanishing forever into the void. A fleeting opportunity for astronomers to study something truly alien, something that may never return. Is 3I/Atlas a rogue comet, a fragment of a shattered planet, or something even stranger? The data we collect during its brief visit could challenge our assumptions and perhaps even redefine our place in the cosmos. Most astronomers expect a natural explanation, an icy body ejected from a distant star system, wandering the galaxy for millions of years before crossing our path. But not everyone is convinced. One Harvard scientist has proposed a far more extraordinary idea, that 3I/Atlas could be evidence of advanced technology, or even a probe sent by another civilization. As we watch this cosmic visitor speed past, we are left with a profound question. Are we truly alone in the universe? Or is 3I/Atlas a sign that we are not? The answer may change how we see ourselves and our place among the stars. Professor Avi Loeb of Harvard is no stranger to controversy. He once suggested Oumuamua was alien technology, a claim that made headlines worldwide. Now, with 3I/Atlas, Loeb is raising the stakes, arguing it could be an active alien craft, not just a rock. He warns that dismissing anomalies is a failure of imagination, likening it to a caveman mistaking a cell phone for a shiny stone. Loeb urges scientists to consider all possibilities, especially when faced with the unknown. He's taken his concerns to the global stage, calling this a matter of planetary security. If he's right, 3I/Atlas could be the most significant discovery in human history. What makes 3I/Atlas so strange? Why has this object captured the attention of astronomers and scientists around the world? It's not just one thing, but a collection of anomalies that set 3I/Atlas apart from anything we've seen before. Each new observation seems to raise more questions than it answers. Its massive size is statistically unlikely for a first interstellar find. We should have seen smaller ones first. Most interstellar visitors, if they exist, are expected to be tiny, faint, and easily missed by our telescopes. Yet 3I/Atlas is enormous, making its discovery all the more improbable. Its retrograde orbit, moving against the flow of our solar system, is rare, and its path is precisely aligned with the plane of the inner planets. This means it's not just moving in the opposite direction, but it's also perfectly lined up with the orbits of Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Loeb calculates the odds of this alignment as just 0.2%. In other words, it's a cosmic long shot, almost as if the object was aiming for this exact trajectory. Unlike typical comets, 3I/Atlas shows no tail, despite its brightness and size. Normally, a comet this close to the sun would display a glowing tail of gas and dust, but here, there's nothing. Its reddish hue hints at long-term cosmic radiation, but the lack of cometary activity is puzzling. The surface appears weathered by eons in deep space, yet it behaves unlike any known comet or asteroid. These combined traits, size, orbit, and appearance, are hard to explain naturally. Each characteristic alone would be unusual, but together they defy our expectations of what an interstellar object should be. For Loeb, the simplest answer may be artificial origin. Could this be a probe, a fragment of alien technology, or something else entirely? Is it a series of cosmic coincidences or deliberate design? The evidence is tantalizing but inconclusive. The mystery deepens as we watch and wait, searching for answers in the vastness of space. For now, 3I/Atlas remains one of the most intriguing puzzles in modern astronomy. Loeb's boldest theory is as audacious as it is fascinating. He suggests that 3I/Atlas could actually be an alien mothership, a vessel not of natural origin but of intelligent design, traversing the vastness of space with a purpose we can only begin to imagine. Picture, for a moment, a colossal craft silently gliding through the cosmos, releasing smaller probes as it passes through different star systems. These probes could be scouts, sent to gather information or even to search for habitable worlds, all under the direction of a distant intelligence. The sheer size of such a mothership would allow it to carry a fleet of probes and the advanced propulsion systems needed for interstellar journeys. Its trajectory could be carefully calculated, optimized to deploy these probes toward planets that might support life, maximizing the chances of discovery or contact. Unlike comets or asteroids, which often have visible tails of gas and dust, this object's lack of a tail could hint at a hard, artificial surface, perhaps a shell designed to withstand the harsh conditions of interstellar travel or even to shield its contents from detection. Loeb doesn't shy away from the unsettling implications. He raises a provocative question. What if this visitor isn't peaceful? The idea that an advanced civilization might send a craft with unknown intentions is both thrilling and deeply unnerving. The object's unusual trajectory, cutting through our solar system at just the right angle, makes it an ideal intercept vehicle, capable of reaching planets like Earth with precision. If its mission were hostile, it could potentially deliver a devastating payload before humanity even realized what was happening. The possibility, however remote, forces us to confront our vulnerability on a cosmic scale. That's why Loeb urges the scientific community to scan the skies for smaller objects or unusual signals in the vicinity of 3I/Atlas. If it's a mothership, there could be evidence, tiny probes, faint transmissions, or anomalies in its path. His theory, while speculative, challenges us to expand our search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Instead of looking only for lifeless rocks, we should be alert for signs of technology, patterns, or signals that hint at a guiding mind. Suddenly, this mysterious object isn't just a passive curiosity. It becomes a potential source of active signals, a beacon that could reveal the presence of another civilization. As we watch and wonder, we must ask ourselves, are we witnessing the arrival of a galactic explorer? Or could this be the first sign of something far more ominous, waiting in the darkness between the stars? The timeline for 3I/Atlas is unfolding now, with key dates ahead. In October 2025, it will pass behind the sun, our blind spot, and a moment of maximum uncertainty. Loeb warns this is when a hostile craft could maneuver unseen. After re-emerging, it will make its closest approach to the sun and Earth, about 130 million miles away. This is our best chance to study it with powerful telescopes and search for technology. Loeb's most dramatic prediction, if it releases a probe, it could reach Earth between November 21st and December 5th. The object shifts from distant curiosity to potential threat. Will this window pass uneventfully or change history? The world watches, waiting for answers. Loeb's theories are a minority view. Most scientists see 3I/Atlas as a natural comet. They argue its size and orbit, while unusual, are within the realm of possibility. With only 3 interstellar objects detected, it's too soon to call anything anomalous. Critics say Loeb's claims are sensational, and that natural explanations, like a thick crust preventing a tail, are more likely. Occam's razor. The simplest answer is usually correct. Loeb's history of bold claims makes some skeptical. Even he admits a natural origin is most probable. But he insists the stakes are too high to ignore the artificial hypothesis. The debate is fierce, and the world is paying attention. Loeb's concerns go beyond science. He fears panic if the public isn't prepared. He calls for international task forces not just of scientists but also military, policymakers, and psychologists. Their job: create a calm, unified plan, vet information, and communicate clearly. Loeb proposes a risk scale for interstellar objects from 0, natural, to 10, confirmed alien tech. 3I/Atlas sits in the middle, uncertain but worth watching. Transparency is key. Secrecy breeds fear and conspiracy. Governments must lead an open conversation, preparing for all outcomes. We should be ready for discovery or danger. By preparing now, humanity can face whatever comes with unity and purpose. The goal: readiness, not fear. There's one thing we can't do. Intercept 3I/Atlas. Its speed, nearly 60 miles per second, makes it untouchable with current technology. We're powerless to catch or alter its course, limited to watching from afar. Loeb suggests redirecting a spacecraft for a flyby, but it's likely impossible. Our only tools: telescopes, sensors, and hope for a clue in the data. If it's hostile, we're defenseless. No weapon could reach it. This vulnerability underscores Loeb's urgency for preparation. We must focus on observation, analysis, and readiness. The cosmic train is passing by, and all we can do is watch. Our response must be mental and political, not physical. As autumn 2025 nears, we face a cosmic gamble: Pascal's wager for the stars. Loeb argues, the cost of preparing for aliens and being wrong is small. The cost of ignoring the possibility and being wrong is immense. Even a 1% chance of artificial origin demands our attention. Better to prepare for a storm that never comes than be caught unready. This forces us to confront our biases and our place in the universe. 3I/Atlas is a reminder of how little we know. It could be a natural wonder or the start of a new chapter in human history. We must be ready for both. The final frontier is a source of wonder and potential danger. The only certainty: we must keep watching the skies.